chances it's the one forward, is it?
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, you just came up.
Yeah, that's a good view.
That would chance to speak right here in front of you.
On
Tuesdays, everything comes automatically around 7.
Going down to 8 over the weekend.
But down here for coffee, listen to the maritime net, and about 8:30 I come along to work. Well, this morning, I don't know what happened. It's so nice in the morning. By the way, it's light out here now before 6 o'clock. That reminds me, Saturday night, we go on daylight savings time up here. So we will be on the same time as you are, effective next Sunday. So it won't affect you, but I will have to just condition my mind to look for you at 6:30, because we'll be back on exactly the same time as you are, effective this Sunday. QSL?
Okay, Bob, Roger, QSL. I've got to brief you and bring you up to date as far as my life at this very moment is concerned. I've got a CBC gentleman in here with a camera, Bob, and I don't know what he's doing. But Wayne's got a couple of friends who came in this evening. They've just arrived, on the 5 o'clock ferry. So they're here now and having a look at what we are doing and what I'm saying and listening. And so, you want to say hi to them? Go ahead.
Situation with regards to the volcano. So, very good evening to the representatives from CBC. And I know when I'm in Montserrat, I spend a lot of time listening to the international service as it happens, and a lot of the other programs that are on CBC International on the shortwave band. So, there we go. So back to you there, eh? And who knows, maybe I'll be watching the local CBC affiliate one night, and I'll see your smiling face on the television camera. VP2 Mike Echo Echo, the E3 IKM near Toronto.
Roger, V3 IKM, V2 Mike Echo Echo. Roger, okay, Bob, fine. I don't know that you might be seeing that, but you might hear something there. I really don't know what would happen. Anyway, yeah.